Hi, on this video I will demonstrate the functionalities and deployment of the Birdsong app we developed. We developed this app for this program for the on context of the software engineering course on ISCTE UL on Lisbon, Portugal, with tutoring from the professor Anders Christensen. The Birdsong is Java-based Twitter-like program. It has a client and a server. They connect through TCP, and it's not web-based. It's all Swing-based. No web, absolutely no web. So and no data persistence. That was a requirement. So there is no data persistence, no passwords, no database, nothing. Just the program, as simple as it is. My group was responsible for the development of the communication module, which we did, and on our team, since we had 4 groups, we also had a group developing the spam filter, which is also implemented, and we will show later. So it's also important to note that our testing environment is a Linux and a Linux server and a Windows client. Linux server is CentOS 6.3, 32 bits, and the client is Windows 7, 64 bits. Both machines are running Java 7. No machine running Java inferior to 7 will run our Birdsong. So only machines with Java 7 can run Birdsong. Okay, I'll start by deploying the server. Deployment is simple, just coupling address. On Windows it will be just download it to the desktop or whatever and double click. On Windows it's just cd to a directory, wget it, it's done, and just Java jar Birdsong, and it's running. Now let's deploy the client. Just save as on the desktop is cool. Desktop. Okay, please start. Okay, thank you. Let's start by testing the spam filter. The spammer will spam, of course. Let's have someone else connected just for fun. Not a spammer. It will be our observer. Okay, they both connected. As soon as the not a spammer connected, spammer saw. But okay, both clients can see each other online. No issues there. So I'll just start spamming. Okay, let's copy and paste. Okay, warning message because I copied the paste twice. Now I will copy thrice and I will be kicked out. And I was kicked out. Okay, let's now connect someone else just to test other functionalities not spam related, like Filipe and let's say John Smith and John Doe. John Doe is cool. John Doe. Okay. Now we have 4 clients. Let's put some clients following. Okay. Let's put Philippe following everyone. Okay. He can follow himself. Makes sense. No? So you can follow yourself. You are already following yourself. Speaking. So let's see, it's not a spammer. Not a spammer does nothing, just an observer. So John Doe will follow John Smith, and John Smith will follow John Doe. Okay, so let's see. So Philip will hello world. Supposedly, as you can see, the client Philippe is now following you. The client John Smith is now following you. The client John Doe. No one is following Philippe, I guess. So let's just hello world and see what happens. Okay, no one received the message. Right, no one is following Philippe. Let's try again. Let's say John Smith is now following Philippe. Filipe will say, "Hi, John." Hi, John, and John sees it. Hi, Filipe. Okay. Now, as we can see, Filipe was already following John Smith, so Filipe saw the Hi Filipe, and John Smith also John Doe also saw the John Smith because John Doe is following John Smith. Now let's just say and follow, and client John Doe is not following you anymore. Are you following me? No, John Doe is not following. As you can see, all working. If our observer sees nothing, as you can see, our observer just here, existing, just exists. So we'll just make him stop existing and disconnect. Everyone saw him disconnecting. All good. Now let's just connect like, okay, Filipe is following a lot of people, so it's a good one to disconnect. Okay, not following anyone anymore. It's okay, it's working. So let's try something else. Like, okay, I guess we tried everything. So I guess this was my demonstration. Our program is consisted by Joana Pereira, Fabio Pais, and Filipe Morais. This is the demonstration. For the implementation, I guess we covered the basics and the features requested, and I guess it's all. I'll try to close.